Going on, guys? Josh here. I'm gonna show y'all something. I was turning around. Check it out, guys. I got the head back. I've been doing a little painting. I wish I would have jumped on my video and started recording then, but I didn't. But I just want to show you I'm cleaning injector ports here, and you can buy the snap-on brush. I had one ordered, it just didn't come in time. But I'll tell you this, I paid like 30 bucks for that snap-on brush. I went to Home Depot and picked these up. I got two of them. This in, I'll tell you what size. It's like $1.50 a piece. But okay, it's a 3/4, this one, and you need a half. Those half. The half will get down to the bottom where the copper washer goes, and then the 3/4 will get at the top of your threads. So I'll do one, show you, but I'm gonna get ready to slap this thing on here in a minute. Check it out here. You kind of push it a little bit, it'll go down in there, and then just kind of turn it back the other way like you're taking the threads off. And look at there, it cleans it up. But guys, I'm gonna get this thing started put together. I'm gonna get all my sensors and all screwed back into it. And when I get ready to set this head on the 12 valve, I will go back to my video and put all this together. I can't wait to show you guys. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I will be giving a couple of people some head studs from Exotic Performance. Like, share, subscribe to my page, and I will talk to y'all here in a few.